What is networking and its purposes? What is a computer network? A computer network comprises two or more computers that are connected either by cables or Wi-Fi with the purpose of transmitting, exchanging, or sharing data resources. You build a computer network using hardware, example routers, switches, access points, and cables, and software. Computer networks enable communication for every business, entertainment, and research purpose. The Internet, online search, email, audio, and video sharing, online commerce, live streaming, and social. Networks all exist because of computer networks. Types of network devices. Here's the common network devices list: hub, switch, router, bridge, gateway, modem, repeater, and access point. Internet. Any set of computer networks that communicate using the Internet protocol. The Internet, the largest global Internet. An Internet connection, Internet connectivity, access to the Internet. Advantages and disadvantages of Internet. Internet, also called as a network of networks, is a worldwide system of computer networks. We can communicate with anyone across the globe, make new friends, search information, do business, shop online, and do many more things with the use of Internet. It has made our lives simpler. With advancement in technologies, Internet is also getting advanced and becoming more convenient day by day. However, it also has some drawbacks. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of Internet. The advantages. First, communication. We can communicate to a person across any corner of the world with use of the Internet. We can send emails and text messages through Internet. We can stay in touch with family and friends with social media sites like Facebook and WhatsApp. Information. We get access to a vast knowledge through Internet. Various websites provide detailed information about various useful topics. Entertainment. Internet is a good source of entertainment. We can watch movies, listen to music, play games, and do many more things through it. Money making. People now work from home with use of Internet. There are many work from home jobs available on the Internet. Besides this, many other ways like making YouTube videos or blogging are used to earn money online. Last, to locate address. Nowadays, Internet can help us map and direct to any unknown address with the help of GPS technology. Disadvantages. Addiction. People get addicted to Internet. They spend a lot of time on the net, thus wasting the productive time. Hacking. Hackers create viruses and steal valuable data. This can cause a lot of financial loss. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a form of harassment done online. It generally occurs on gaming platforms and social media sites. People post negative or hate comments about a person which humiliates the victim of cyberbullying. The wrong information. There is a lot of wrong information on the net along with the right information. It becomes difficult to understand what is right and what is wrong many a times. And the last, loss of privacy. Lot of private information of people can get stolen from social media sites like Facebook. This can lead to crimes too. Conclusion. Internet has become an important part of our lives. It has both advantages and disadvantages. We need to stay careful while using Internet so as to avoid being a victim of any cybercrime. Computers are connected to the Internet.
There are lots of reasons to set up a home internet connection. For example, you'll have access to email, news, shopping, TV shows, and much more. And once you have a working internet connection, you can create a wireless home network, which will let your whole family connect their computers, smartphones, and other internet-ready devices. Let's look at a few different types of internet connections that you can have. Dial-up connects to your phone line. It's usually much slower than other types of internet connections, but in some areas it may be the only option available. Generally, DSL and cable are better options. DSL plugs into your phone line, and cable uses your cable TV connection. These are both known as broadband internet connections because they offer much faster speeds than dial-up. This makes it easier to watch videos, play games, or browse the web. Fiber is the fastest type of broadband currently available. Using fiber optic cables, it can provide speeds that exceed even DSL or cable. However, it may not be available where you live, and it tends to be more expensive. Cellular is sold under a few different names, including 4G, LTE, and 5G. They're types of wireless internet connections often used by smartphones, but you can also get these types of connections for your home. Depending on where you live, a cellular connection may be a good broadband alternative. No matter what kind of internet service you choose, you'll need to purchase it from an internet service provider, or ISP. Chances are you can buy internet service from your phone or cable company, or you may want to shop around for a better price. Your ISP will guide you through the entire process of connecting to the internet. They will usually need to send a technician to your home to turn on your connection. Your ISP may also give you a modem and set it up for you. But if you prefer, you can buy a modem from a computer store and use the included instructions to set it up yourself. These instructions will vary, but the basic idea is that you'll connect the modem to your phone jack or cable TV connection, and then connect your computer to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Once you have everything set up, you can open your web browser and begin using the internet. If you want to connect several devices to the internet, you can create a wireless home network, also known as a Wi-Fi network. To do this, you'll need a wireless router, which takes the internet connection from your modem and broadcasts it throughout your home. Your modem may already have a wireless router built in, so you may not need to buy one. To set up your wireless connection, follow the instructions included with your router. You'll need to choose a network name, also known as an SSID. Also, for security, you should turn on WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, depending on what your router supports. Then, make sure you choose a strong password. After you've set up your wireless network, go into each device's Wi-Fi or network settings, select your network name, and type your password. If any of your devices are not wireless ready, you can simply plug them into your router with an Ethernet cable, or you can purchase a wireless card. Setting up an internet connection and Wi-Fi network takes a little bit of work, but once you get it set up, your family will be able to use the internet without being limited to one computer.
World Wide Web. What is the World Wide Web? The World Wide Web is an online information system that allows documents to be connected to other documents through hypertext links, thus enabling the online user to search for data by shifting from one document to another. Put simply, the World Wide Web is a lot of different files and programs that are linked to each other all over the world. 30 years ago, people could walk into a public library and open a reference book. In public libraries, we could find information or virtually any subject we wanted. We took this for granted. Today, thanks to the World Wide Web, we can sit down anywhere into the world with a computer and access online information. This global online library is far more powerful than any public library on earth. World Wide Web versus the Internet. Many people think that the Internet and the World Wide Web are one and the same thing. They are not. The Internet is a global network of networks. It is a networking infrastructure connecting billions of computers, smartphones, and other devices. The web is a way of accessing data over the medium of the Internet. It is a data sharing model that is built on top of the Internet. Let's imagine somebody. Mary is sitting in front of her computer. She is online looking at her website www.marywebsite.com. Mary's website is part of the World Wide Web. Her computer and modem, on the other hand, are part of the Internet. Apply internet etiquette. Netiquette, abbreviation of Internet Etiquette or Network Etiquette guidelines for courteous communication in the online environment. It includes proper manners for sending email, conversing online, and so on. Much like traditional etiquette, which provides rules of conduct in social situations, the purpose of netiquette is to help construct and maintain a pleasant, comfortable, and efficient environment for online communication, as well as to avoid placing strain on the system and generating conflict among users. Download and uploading. Downloading means receiving data or a file from the internet on your computer. Uploading means sending data or a file from your computer to somewhere on the internet. Uploading. If a site allows uploads, it will have an upload utility to help perform the file transfers. Each site handles this process differently, but we'll give some common examples. Usually, the site will have help pages to walk through the upload process.